signing you a permanent seat.
Hello, mister.
You'll be next to the
Can't bloody do anything, can I? Hello.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can't even have a sandwich in peace, can I?
Being too foreign,
Hey.
you'll be able to sympathize
Hello.
with them in a way that the rest of us cannot, that you'll know how to deal with them, not intrude or ask inappropriate
You
questions.
funny buggers, and you.
Because of my daughter's murder?
Yes, well, I
Is that nice?
apologize for dredging up what I imagine is a deeply painful memory, but I felt it was important that you know why.
I'm sure the Goldmans will appreciate the...
Oh, you love it, don't you? Oh, fucking love it, Dan. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. How you doing, big boy? How you doing, mister? Hey, Bertie Birdie. You very pretty boy. And you. Look at you, buddy. You're so funny. Yeah. You're so funny. Nice, buddy birdie. You love your sweet potato, don't you? Oh, yummy. Thanks, Dan. You right, mister? You gonna come and get some? No? You gonna wait, are you? Okay. Hello, buddy bird. Oh, fucking destroyed it, Dad. Love it. Thank you all. Getting lots of help. Oh, what's down there? Where's it? Where's it? Oh, what can you see? Yeah. Play with that, look.
Here we go for taking on and trying to make something happen and get back in the frame.
You're a funny bugger. Right, you done? Can I go back to what I was doing?
What?
Thank you. Get out of me bloody sandwich.
I'm trying to win.
Oh, hello, you two. Can't I do anything in bloody peace? No. Oh, that's nice, buddy. Did you having a bath? How's your foot? How's your foot? You're so pretty, ain't you? You're so pretty. Oh, getting water all over my phone, buddy. Oh, you loving that? You loving that? You cleaning your feet? How you doing? Hello, mister. Are you okay? How you doing, Bertie? You feeling okay, mate? Hello, buddy birdie. Oh, you so pretty. Is that nice? You having fun? Oh, are you making a right mess? Ain't you, Dopey? You're making a right mess. Are you done? Was it? What have you seen? What have you seen? Oh, you're loving it, aren't you? Are you loving it? Are you loving it, buddy? Oh, is that nice? Oh, okay. We're done, Dan. Okay, then. Come on, then. Hello, my birdies.
That's our sending home.
Hello. Do you want some? Oh, a nice bit of toast. Is that yummy? No? Alright. What are you doing? Trying to stroke? Yeah.
I'm a self-taught film maker. I never went to film school. I never studied filmmaking. I started making films when I was a kid.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Making films using
Hello.
doing stop motion films, a little bit of animation.
Oh, you like that?
And
Yeah.
I just carried on making films as I went.
Yeah, I know.
Bigger, hopefully better, more elaborate. And there never really was a period of my life that
You're so pretty.
always moving up from Super 8 to 16 millimeter.
Oh, buddy. Yeah, I know. Oh, you're so grumpy. Yeah, I know. You. Who's that, look? Who is it? Who is it?
Well, I was a student.
You're so pretty.
Film Society along with Emma Thomas, my wife and daughter. We tried to make various different films. Some of them quite ambitious.
What are you doing?
Quite long films to start. And the problems you encounter, the things that stop the film being something you can really put a technical finish or creatively create something that
Wow.
and not the alienated by the
Stop biting me.
qualities of it.
Hey.
A lot to do with
Ow. That hurts, buddy.
to try experimenting with short and weight
Yeah.
that he said, okay, if we shoot black and white films,
Why are you biting me?
special style, cheaply, quickly,
What are you trying to do? Trying to stroke? You want more strokes? Oh, okay.
so you're not trying to ape larger movie making techniques with dolly and things that actually require very expensive equipment. Can you create a very stripped down type production machine that would
I know. You love it, don't you?
where you sort of learn in a sense how to
Ow.
shape
Wow, 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 wow. Show us your wings. Show us your wings.
you shoot it in the weekend,
No?
together.
Alright then.
Again, if you follow me,
You're a funny bugger, ain't you?
so it'll be a
Where you going?
2-minute, 3-minute chunk of the film
Where you going?
every weekend. That was the approach we took.
Hello?
When we were making following, I was working in the field of corporate videos. I was doing camera work and sound work for media training sessions for companies, recording radio programs in the studio, that kind of thing. And I actually learned a lot doing that kind of video camera work. I learned a lot about going into an environment, using a couple of lights, setting up a bar, something to a very rigid schedule.
Hello?
Interviewing,
You want to go to bed now?
corporation, company, business.
Come on in. Bedtime. Okay.